How to build an app with Lovable. So as you can see, I've been able to build this water reminder app with Lovable for completely free. And when you come here, you can simply come and then click on start, and then my app is working perfectly fine. Okay, and I have the option to come and click on this to view it in mobile version, and this is how the app is going to look like on mobile phone. Okay, and let me come here and then click on it and then come back to the desktop mode, and let me show you. So this is Lovable AI prompt generator, which is going to help you come out with your idea. If you don't have any idea about what app to build, this tool is going to help you. You have the option to upload a screenshot of any app that you have seen out there, and then you also have the option to go with the guided questionnaire. So let me show you how to go with the screenshot. So when you click on it over here with the screenshot analyzer, what that you have to do is simply upload any app that you have seen. You just take a screenshot of it. You just come here to where it says upload a screenshot or drag it. You just upload the screenshot of the app, and then after uploading the screenshot of the app, you just have to come here and then come and select the application type that you want to build by clicking on the down arrow. So let me click on it. You have the option to select a web app, Android or ISO. Okay, that is the iPhone. So let me select a web app. You can come and then click on analyze and generate prompt, and it's going to give you a full prompt for Lovable to create the app for you. So when you come back to the home tool, we also have the guided questionnaire. So let me click on it for you to see. So with this one too, the guided questionnaire, it's going to help you to come out with an idea for your app. Okay, if you don't have any idea at all, by taking you through a series of questions. So the first one is the primary problem that your app will solve. So it will show you some of these. Okay, so we have the streaming a daily task, we have making it easy to book appointments, so we have providing access to educational resources. You also have the option to come and type in your own idea. Okay, so mine is water drinking reminder. So after putting it right here, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the next. Okay, it's going to take you to the next question, and that is, who is the target audience for your app? You can come and select any of these if they fit your target audience. Okay, so if they don't fit your target audience, you can come and then write it here, just like my app, it is for anyone. Okay, and then after that, simply come in and come and click on the next. And then the next question is, what is the main function or core feature of your app? You can come and select any of the provided ones if it meets the core function of your app or the idea that you have. Okay, if it doesn't meet, simply come and then put in your own. So mine is to remind me to drink water every 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, and then come and then click on the next. So it is to help you come out with an idea for your app. Okay, and then the next question is, what type of application do you want? We have the web app, we have the Android app, we have the iPhone app or the ISO. So I'm going to select for web app for this tutorial, and I'm going to click on the next, and it's going to bring you right here to what would you like to name your app. Okay, so you can come and then name it. Mine is water drinking reminder. After that, come and then click on generate Lovable AI prompt, and that is it. You have your prompt to build your app in seconds. You can come and click on this to copy it. So as you can see, I've been able to copy it. If you don't like the idea, you can come and click on start over, and that is it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get that too, but let's go to Lovable first by simply coming to type Lovable from Google, hit enter, and then come and select the official site of Lovable. It's going to bring you right here. Come and click on the login to create an account, and then you can create an account by simply coming here to where it says don't have an account, create an account. Come and click on it, and then from here you can create an account using your Google. So I'm going to click on continue with Google, and that is it. Over here they are going to ask you where you heard about them and so many questions. Come and click on the skip to skip all those process, and then come and click on the maybe later, and that is it. Over here you are within the Lovable AI, and come and then paste the prompt that we just copied just like this. Okay, so when you paste it right here, now all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the submit, and that is it. You sit back, relax, and your app will be created in seconds. So as you can see, my app is created. My water reminder app has been created for me. You can come and change the color if you don't like it by simply coming to ask the AI to modify and then change the color to your preferred. Okay, after that, simply come and then click on the submit, and that is it. It is going to change the color for you. So as you can see, it's going to update the app and then change it to my preferred color. Okay, and that is it. As you can see, it has changed the color for me. So if you are okay with the color and then everything, you can come and test it by clicking on start, and that is it. My app is working perfectly fine. So you can publish it by clicking on the publish, and then you have the option to choose a custom, okay, like a custom domain, okay, a custom domain, and then you can also rename this URL. That is what your app is going to be built on by simply clicking on this edit option, and then you can come and then type in the preferred name that you want, but don't leave any space in between. Okay, just like this. After that, come and click on rename project, and that is it. It is going to rename it to your preferred name, and as you can see, I have it right here. Okay, after that, you have to come and then click on publish, and that is it. It is published and it's going to be published. And as you can see, it has published my app successfully. Okay, now I can simply come and then share this by right clicking on it and then come and click on copy link, and that is it. I can share my app for the whole world to come and then look at it. Okay, so when you come here and then you click on the down arrow, you can simply go back to your dashboard by clicking on go to dashboard, and then when you scroll down, you are going to see that this is your workspace and this is the app that you just created. So you have the option to modify it and anything that you want by clicking on the three dots. You can come and then rename it, you can delete it or do whatever thing that you want with it. So now when you click on it, it's going to be open, and that is it. Now let me show you how to get the prompt. Okay, so just go to Google and then come and search for Google AI Studio and then hit enter. So it's going to bring you right here. Come and then select the official site by clicking on it to bring you right here to Google AI Studio. So over here, come here to where we have the build and then come and click on it. So with the build feature, you can come and then build any app for totally free. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come to the chat and then come and then paste this prompt. Okay, I have pinned this prompt under the video comment below. I have pinned it. Okay, just look at the comment section. I've pinned it. Copy everything without adding any word, and then come and paste it right here and then come and click on run prompt. And that is it. Sit back and then wait for your app to be created. And then you have the option to come and then click, and it's going to be zoomed for you. And that is it. You have your prompt generator for your lovable apps. Okay, so like the video and then see you in my next video.